Hi everyone, I'm Garo and this is HubSpot Shortcuts, the channel where you'll learn how to get the most out of your HubSpot in just a few minutes. Today, I will show you how to create and use smart properties in HubSpot so you can automatically enrich your company records with the help of AI. Let's get started. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. So, what are smart properties? Smart properties are custom fields you create in HubSpot that can be filled in automatically using AI. This means you don't have to manually update or research that information yourself. For example, instead of asking a lead to type in their company size or industry, HubSpot Smart Property can enrich that using the data it already has and that can enrich. So now let's create a smart property together. So in HubSpot, go to the CRM and then click on companies. And after that, you can click on the three dots, add a column, and then you can decide how you would like that to be created. You can ask it to be created manually, and this could also be a smart property. So you can add a specific thing, for example, research if the company is funded and mention the round. Once you do that, you can choose if it's a web research, if it's a company research, or a property data or a call transcript. Once you do that, you can just apply it. It could be a single line text, multi-line text, whatever we would like. And then we can say funded for the property name and then just create it. And then once we do that, can have the company run this property. So whenever I want this to be here, I can just click on smart fill the properties, and then HubSpot is going to start using this data and start pushing us the information that we were looking for. It takes a couple of seconds to update here, and we can do it on a specific one. And you can already see that some of these already filled out. So Netflix has been funded through multiple rounds. Ask Elephant raised 6 million in a seed funding, which is amazing, led by Jump Capital. So you can see all of these information that we're generating, and that's the smart property, and that's it. You can actually run this for just one, and then if you like it, you can run it for the whole row, and you can also go ahead and change and edit the property as much as you wish, making sure that it's working. You can also have AI suggest prompt for you as well if you're not sure what the prompt should be, and then you can use all of these as well. This is a pretty cool update, and I think everyone should use it. So how can you use these properties? One, you can do it one by one by going to the actual company and then adding it on the left side and enriching it. So you can add it as a view on the left side, get it added, just add the funded part, and then save it, save and exit. Once you do that, you can see it's funded or not. You can then either push it to generate or not. And then depending on how you would like it to run, you can also do that. Or you can actually click on the couple of properties and then smart fill properties, and you can choose which property you're looking to enrich. And then you can do just these two and that's it. So this is gonna run only for the two. So this is pretty cool, and it uses the HubSpot part and the credits. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And if you want to delete or edit any of the properties, you can do it from Manage Company one. You can go to Funded, for example, edit it right from here. You can have the smart property prompt, edit it right from here, add tokens, change if it's going to research the website, research property from HubSpot, and then you can manage it all from here, as well as you can go ahead and archive it and delete it. And on the enterprise level, you can have specific users have access to this using the smart property settings. That's how it works. I would say a couple of few tips to keep in mind. Every time you run smart property, it's going to use the credits of HubSpot. This is how it's being used at the moment. So starter plans usually have 500 credits, professional has 3,000, and each run is going to cost anywhere between 1 credit to 10 credits, depending on what you're looking for. If it's, let's say, a phone number, eventually it's going to cost a lot more. You cannot apply validation rules on smart properties to mark smart properties as sensitive data, and prompts that rely on LinkedIn may not return results at this moment. So This might be updated in the future, but these are some updates that I wanted to share with you here. Thank you. And that is how you create and use smart properties in HubSpot. This is a simple but powerful way to keep your CRM enriched and save your team a lot of time. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next HubSpot shortcut. See you next time.